Hi guys, Watch Fanatic here. Not really a watch related video. This one is about the Porsche. So this is my Porsche Boxster 986. It's a 3.2 2001. I've replaced the roof on it fairly recently because the old one, the roof was getting quite rotten out on the stitching with the rear plastic window. I found one on eBay which was very good condition, another plastic window one, and to try to keep the window in quite good condition, I'm going to show you how the roof operates and what to do to stop the back plastic getting scratched up when you have the roof down. I'll tell you what I mean about that. So to operate the roof, I've got the engine running because that gives us a bit more electricity to open the roof, because it does take quite a bit of electric. I'm going to go for a drive presently. First thing we do is by the handle, you press that button, lift that back, and windows drop down a bit. Ignore my central locking light. I've got a double beep of doom. I've ordered a micro switch from my door because it's decided that it doesn't want to drop the window down, so the central locking doesn't know if the door's locked or whatever, so I'm going to have to replace that. That will be another video. There's always something to do on these cars. So to operate the roof, what we want to do is this button here, we press that, and the roof, stop it about here, because now we're going to go outside. It's at this point that you probably want to give it what's called the Boxster chop. We don't really want to chop into it. What we do want to do is softly push down the plastic so it doesn't crease. So when it folds, we don't get any creases, which can then split the plastic, and you can end up with a hole. Now, my tip to stop the dust from scratching, because when this is together, the movement, you get a little bit of movement, and if there's any dust on there, it can scratch. You can end up with little scratches. So, a towel, a tea towel or something soft, place that in there so it doesn't interfere with the operation. Of course, I picked a very windy day, so just end up with it. It doesn't matter if it's folded, because what's going to happen is as the roof comes down, it's going to sit on that so that that can't scratch that side. It will give it a good barrier. So now we'll press the roof all the way down. Mine will touch the top here. Now the roof's completely down. The towel's protecting the window that's folded in half so it won't scratch upon itself. And that's basically it. And then when you're closing the hood back up, jump up halfway so you can pull the towel out, because you don't want it going down in behind the roof. That should keep it from being scratched up.